Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are doing a tutorial. We are going to learn how to do a foundation single crochet. Yes, this is particularly very useful for when you are starting to make a garment, and instead of doing a number of chains and single crocheting all the way along, you are going to do a foundation single crochet row. This will give a much nicer and smoother edging, if you like. So in a lot of patterns this is the recommended way. So I will now show you how to do that. For this you will need your yarn, of course. I've got some yarn here which is a DK weight, and I've got my crochet hook. For this tutorial, for you to be able to see what I'm doing, I'm going to use a 5.5mm hook. Let's see if I can show you this up close. 5.5, it is 5.5, yes, there it is, 5.5mm hook. So to get started, we need to make a slip knot on our crochet hook. There we are. And I think I will zoom in even closer now because it's important for you to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and in the second chain from the hook we're going to start our very first foundation single crochet. So you're going to go into that first chain. There we are, and yarn over and pull through. You've got 2 loops on the hook. So now you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, just a 1. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And this is essentially our single crochet. But now what we need to do is work into here. So right here you have 2 things going on. You've got this one here which is just like a chain, if you like, and here you have like a stitch. Let's see if I can zoom in even closer. I don't think I can go closer than that. Right then. So this is like a chain, if you like, and this is like a stitch. And if you turn your work, you can see here there's like a V here. So we are going to insert the hook into that particular V and make sure that you grab 2 strands. There we are. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through. And we're going to do that again. Yarn over, pull through 1 of the loops, just 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that was our second stitch. You see, there we are. Okay, now we are going to do another one. So as you can see here, if you turn, you can see the V. So we are going to go into that second here. You see there's like a chain here. We don't want to go into that. We want to go into here like a stitch, and make sure you grab the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you are going to do all your foundation single crochet. We're going to do that once again. So you're going to insert your hook into that stitch here. Make sure you grab both of the loops, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm going to do a few more stitches and then I will show you how it looks. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it is quite nice. Here's the actual single crochet, and the edging is right here. And it just gives like a really nice edging, as you can see. A lot of patterns now are really recommending that way. It's, you know, especially if you do a cardigan or a blanket or something, because look, it just gives a really nice edging. There we are. That concludes today's tutorial on how to do the Foundation Single Crochet, also known as FSC. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone!